Biomanufacturing is using biological processes to manufacture something. And so that could be a natural product, like an antibiotic, or it could be a protein for a pharmaceutical application. There are lots of different bioproducts out there. The nice thing about bioproduction is that it's very sustainable, and it really fits well into chemical engineering, because chemical engineering is all about taking energy and materials and converting them into useful products. Sometimes you're lucky and you'll find a bacteria or algae or other host cell that can produce tons of the product that you're interested in. But most of the time, biological systems did not evolve to make a product that you want. And so you often have to kind of push them to make what you want. And we do that using recombinant DNA technology and synthetic biology. There's so many things that I want to do with algae. They're inherently much more sustainable for production of chemicals than other systems because they use CO2 as their main feedstock. And there's so many interesting plant products that we really can't produce on a large scale right now that the tools that we are developing in algae will open up a lot of different new areas of production that didn't exist before. One thing that I often tell people when they ask me about chemical engineering is that chemical engineers are the masters with scaling things up. Sometimes you can have the greatest therapy in the world, but if you can't scale it up and produce lots of doses for lots of patients, the impact of that discovery is going to be minimal. So chemical engineers play a pretty critical role in making sure that the latest technologies are accessible to everybody. The culture of innovation and entrepreneurship at the University of Waterloo also attracts some of the greatest students who are so hardworking and so professional that it really makes it a breeze to do your research.